how to find who can see the things you follow settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can see the things you follow on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here you will find this one here, followers and public content, and now just click on it, and as you see here you can manage it. Now everyone can see the things you follow. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.